Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. So the Rakhi season is coming very soon, and this year also I have prepared this beautiful paper quilling Rakhi platter for all of you, and I'm just showing you the closer look how it looks, what are the procedures behind this. So I will tell you how to create the base, how to make the beautiful and very stunning paper quilling flower, how to create this side design, the filigree work. Everything is completely handmade and paper made. This is looking absolutely stunning and very unique idea to make this beautiful Rakhi platter or Aarti thali. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking my glue bottle, which is having 2 centimeter diameter, and wrapping total 3 strips of yellow color around this. Here I am using 3 mm strips and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So I am making one ring using the bottle. And the ring is ready. Now just adding little glue on top of this ring, spreading it using brush and allow it to dry completely for few minutes. So it's completely dried. Now I'm just dividing this ring from center and making the half ring. Like this. So in total I have already prepared some half rings in yellow colors and some half rings in orange color. So in total we need 15 half rings in both the colors. Then taking this mound board circle, which is having 14 centimeter diameter, and taking one yellow color paper which is little bigger than this mound board, and I am going to wrap the yellow paper around this mound board piece. So just adding little glue, sticking with the yellow paper, cutting the edge in fringes and sticking with the base. Similarly, I am going to complete it till the end. And this is completely covered from one side. Now on another side I am adding this red color paper. You can use any kind of color paper because we are going to hide this portion later. So the base for platter is ready. Now taking my half rings in yellow colors, and I will start adding these half rings on the edge of this circular base. So we just need to add glue, hold it for a few seconds, press it nicely and just make the flower kind of thing in the edge. And this is done. Now taking the orange half ring, just pinching it from the center to make the petal, a V kind of petal. Add little glue between these half rings and stick this orange piece on top of this. For sticking these petals quickly. I am using here Fevikwik. You can also use Fevikwik or Fevibond or Fevicol or any kind of liquid glue. So this is completely done and it's looking absolutely stunning and beautiful. Now here I am taking half strip of maroon color in 5 mm and making one tight coil. So I have already prepared some tight coils. Now taking back my platter and between these orange petals I am sticking these tight coils to give it more support and sturdiness. So I have covered it from all the edge and this is now sturdy and nice. Then on top of this I am adding one yellow color designer paper and it will be our front side on which we are going to do the quilling decoration. So burnishing it nicely, sticking the paper completely from the edges also, and this is done. If any extra paper is coming out, just trim it right now. And then on the edge I am adding these beautiful diamond chain. So again I am using my Fevikwik glue and sticking the chain around the edge. And this is completely covered, looking very beautiful. Now I am just adding some more maroon color tight coils in the center part as well to create the even base. So just adding some maroon tight coils randomly inside the circle part. So when we will push or add any weight, it will not get bended. Now I am starting with making my quilling flower. For this I am taking light red color 3 mm strip in half and just making the bended leaf shape. Now I am taking dark red color half strip and making bended leaf shape. Joining both the petals together and wrapping this using dark red color strip. So I have prepared total 7 petals to make one flower. So just joining all the petals together. And adding half cut pearl in the center. So the beautiful flower is ready. Now to make leaf, I am taking here one strip of light green color and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one tight leaf shape. So I am just joining 3 petals together. For this I am taking here small piece of light green color strip. Around this I am adding 2 petals first and then in the center I will add 3rd petal. So the leaf is ready. Then for the next shape I am taking 2 1/4 strip of light green and 2 1/4 strips of dark green. Just gathering all together, bending it from center and start twisting it using pointed tweezer and creating the scroll. So scroll is also ready. Now I'm just sticking my scroll with the leaf. Then for the third part, I am taking here half strip of light green color, making one leaf shape. Then taking half strip of dark green color and making one bended leaf shape. Taking one more half strip of dark green color, making one bended leaf shape. And then I will join all three parts together to make one complete leaf. Wrapping this using dark green color strip, and leaf is ready. Now I'm just sticking this leaf with my previous bunch, and this complete foliage pattern is ready. In the same way, I have prepared one more for other side. Now taking back my platter, and I am just sticking some random quilling designs for the base so that we will give little height and dimension to our flower. Now adding little glue on backside of the flower and sticking on these shapes, and then around this I will add my quilling pattern leaves. And this is completely done. Very stunning. Now here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and half strip of dark yellow color and making one tight coil. Then taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Add little glue inside the dome. And similarly I have prepared some more domes already. So taking back my platter, and I will start decorating the platter from the edge using these beautiful dome shapes. And this is done. Very beautiful and gorgeous, isn't it? Now I'm just covering the back side completely to hide this coil work. So here I'm taking one more piece of mound board which is having 13 cm diameter, and I'm just covering it using red color craft paper, just like we did for the yellow one. And then I am just sticking it on top of this to give it nice finished look. And it will also have the dimension for the base for our platter. Press it nicely and allow it to dry. So the beautiful and very stunning Rakhi platter is ready. I am just loving the color combination very much, looking very festive. And then I am just putting my all the things on this Rakhi platter, that is diya, the handmade quilling Rakhi, and kumkum and roli chawal. So pretty. So in this way you can create your own platter and Rakhi in this upcoming Rakshabandhan Festival and celebrate with your brothers or sisters. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.